Today's video is going to grow on you, guaranteed. Howdy everybody, it's Kentucky Ranger with another review, another item. I got these grow lights for my wife because she's got plants, lots of plants. And during the winter months, it's kind of hard to get sunlight to them. In fact, if you're in like an office setting or something like this, or something like that, what would be cool is to have these and use it after business hours so your plants can get some sunlight. I think that's probably what a lot of these offices do. We just don't know. This is made by, I hope I'm not killing it, Haofy. I think Haofy is the way you say that. Haofy, Haofy. And it's really cool. It's 36 watt LED grow light. What's really cool, first of all, see here, it's got 3 different different grow lights, and it's got a really nice stiff clamp, so you can clamp it. And I'll show you where you clamp it. That's got a nice little control here that it controls. There's the power button. Let me see. So there's the power button. And this is the light, but I'm not really sure. Let me see. Let me turn it on first so you can see. Woo! It's intense. You got 3 lights. Okay. Lord, I just tested this. Oh, okay. Anyhow, what this button in the center does is if you're not going to use all 3, each time you push it, it cycles 1 off. So you can get down to 1 or all 3. So that's what that button does. The plus and minus, that adjusts the brightness. So if you don't want it so intense, here's the lowest setting. And go back up to the highest setting. And next is the timer button. You hit it once, it cycles 4 hours. Let's see that. Next one is 8 hours, and then 12 hours. What this does is the second you you can turn it off. If you turn it off, it stays on all the time. Second you turn it on, like I just turned it on, it'll stay on. Okay, that's the 4 hour, so they'll stay on for the next 4 hours, and after 4 hours they'll turn off, and then it cycles 24 hours from the time you click that button. It comes back on for that 4 hours, so you can do 4, 8, and 12 hours cycles. So it's automatic. That's pretty cool, and it's about all it does. It's cool. It's got a glowy blue light or little ring around it, I guess, so you can see it in the dark. Anyhow, you can clamp it like here. Let me clamp it to the side of this. See, that might not be clampy enough. I'll get it figured out here in a second. It's gonna have to clamp on something substantial. Okay, yeah, that'll hold it. And then what you can do, because it's goosenecky, is you can twist it around. So there, you can have one on that one, and then you can twist it around and have it over this little fella. Get it twisted around enough, and then, well, I ain't got that set over. And the third one, I set it so it kind of goes over. There we go. So once it settles, They hold pretty good. Yeah, this one's a little low. Get these goosenecky things just right. There, okay. So now you got your grow lights. Then what you do is you turn it on, and your plants get light. And like I say, if you don't want light to one, you turn it off, or turn that one off, or all three. And then you can set the timer, like I was showing before, 4, 8, and 12 hour intervals. And that's about all. I mean, this is a short and sweet review. But what's cool is you put them up like that. Takes a little finesse in here, but it's really not bad. There we go. Probably be better if I clamped it over here, because I think if you get it to where this starts up in the air, you would be a lot better off. Get it on the side of this. It's one thing you want to make sure you've got something clampable. Oh, that's not gonna clamp on there. There it goes. Okay, so that's, that might be a little bit better. So you put one here and put one shooting over there, and then put this one on the little one, the little guy. But you see, you can get creative, get creative with it to do your thing. It's extremely bright. I think you can tell, and it's a really cool light. I mean, it puts out kind of a, what is that, like UV. You can see, I think the camera's picking it up. It's got like red and blue. I think that's ultraviolet, and then red. It's different spectrums, and all together it makes a cool purpley light. But that's about it. I mean, you just you set it up, and once you hit whichever time you want on there. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the light one. You hit the timer for 8 or 12. So like set it for 8 hours. The second I just did that, they'll stay on for the next 8 hours, then they'll go off. And then after 24 hours, they'll come back on at the same time every single day. That's really, really cool. So like if you were in an office, and you had plants, you could gather them up in the evening and hit that button, and like for 8 hours after office hours, your plants get light. That's really cool. I mean, I like it. That's all I can say. It's nice. It's a nice light. They don't. It gets warm, but it's not gonna be like hot like an actual light bulb. Plus, being LED, they don't take up a lot of energy, so it's energy efficient. Hey, I think it's cool. Anyhow, it's a grow light. Appreciate y'all watching. Links in the description if you want one. Man, they got a whole bunch of these on Amazon. This one just kind of caught my eye because it just, I like the little gooseneckies. I mean, a lot of them have the gooseneck things, but the timer part, love that timer. Where you just automatically, you just set it and forget it. I think that's cool. So I really like that feature. It's a grow light. So God bless everybody. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it's a grow light. I might do a follow-up video. I'm sure it's going to help our plants because it's giving them that light that they're missing, especially during the winter, because we put these plants outside during the summer, but you can't do it during the winter. So it's a little late in the season, but we'll have this for next winter. I mean, it's still winter out, but definitely cool, because you put just a regular incandescent bulb over your plants, it's not going to help them at all. It has to be broad broad spectrum light, which that's what this produces. You know, another thing you could probably do, if you have like a little fish bowl, you probably clamp that and put that over your fish bowl to give your little fishies sunlight. That'd be pretty cool. But of course, be careful doing too much of that, because broad spectrum light, it'll cause algae to grow in your fish tank. See, you know, you don't want algae in your fish tank. But hey, plants need sunlight. I think this is awesome. So anyhow, God bless everybody. It comes in a box. Everything does. And it comes with instructions. But it's so straightforward and it's so simple. You know, it's just your little control. You plug it in and go. Set it up. And, you know, that's it. It's a grow light. Anyhow. Well, oh, it's 5 rangers. It's got to be 5 rangers. Come on. Yeah, maybe 6 rangers. 2 rangers for each light thing. That's, I don't know. It's 5 rangers. You know, I think it's cool. My wife, she's in love with it. She's excited. She's like, oh, thank you, honey. Thank you, honey. What is it? It's $30. Around $30. Let me look real quick. Yeah, $29.99. It's $30. Yeah. A lot of these grow lights are pretty expensive, so $30 ain't too bad. Anyhow, that's the grow light. God bless y'all. Take care, and I'll see you on the next whatever review I'm going to review. Take care. Bye.